Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 16 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down again and localize More Security and Privacy. Here scroll down again and find Installation Sources. So right here you will see in a second the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I like to download the app from a website. So we have to find our browser, in my case Chrome, and tap on the switcher next to it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because basically you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps, actually most of them, aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Simply tap on Allowed if you're ready, and as you can see, the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, and you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.